Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed the intro footage. Sorry for the shakes, I have a very old phone gimbal. All footage was shot on an iPhone with the Filmic Pro app and the Sandmarc Variable ND motion filter, which I am going to review today. The majority of people use a phone to film their travels, family, YouTube videos, and at some point they want more from their phone. Using a variable ND filter is the next step to get that nice cinematic motion blur in your videos. Variable NDs are useful when you are shooting video in bright conditions, and having a variable ND from ND8 to ND64 assures that you won't have cross-polarization problems, the X you get with other variable NDs. This is also helped by having hard stops on both ends. Most of you already know what an ND or a variable ND is, but still let me quickly explain it. Variable NDs allow you to lower the shutter speed, so you can use the 180-degree rule to get that nice cinematic motion blur in your footage. This means you have to set your shutter speed to double your frame rate, so if you shoot in 24 frames per second, your shutter speed should be 1/48, or in some cases 1/50. Here are some frames from the video so that you can see the difference between the 180-degree rule and a faster shutter speed. Also, if you shoot using the 180-degree rule, your footage is going to be overexposed without a filter, as you can see here. You can also use variable ND filters if you want to do a long exposure during the day, to make the water soft in your image or give your photo a sense of motion. Doing so, you will make your photos more interesting. With a variable ND, you can achieve this by lowering your shutter speed. The Sandmarc variable ND comes in a nice pouch for protection. The filter is made from good quality aluminum and multi-coated cinema glass. You can mount it on your iPhone with a clip, or you can get a case that has a special aluminum mount for the filter. I would go with the case because it is also compatible with Sandmarc's lenses. They have some really nice anamorphic lenses. And the clip covers a part of the screen when you put it on. Also, the filter is compatible with anamorphic lenses and telephoto lenses. Overall, the Sandmarc Motion Variable ND is a great product if you want to make your phone videos more cinematic. While using the filter, I did not find any issues, like vignetting or cross-polarization. The image quality is not affected by the filter, and the build quality feels premium. If you were looking for a variable ND for your phone, this is a great option.